Hello! In this video, we'll explore how to add custom avatars using the Brand Kit feature on the Trupeer website. First, click on the Brand Kit option. Here, you'll notice several options available. By clicking on Avatar option, you'll find the Connect Your API Key option. Select it, and you'll see Connect Your HeyGen API Key option. Enter your HeyGen API key. After you've done that, click on the Connect Key option. Be aware that it may take a moment to process. Once the custom API key is successfully added, you'll see it appear in the library. If you'd like to verify this, simply click on the Home option and open the video to which you want to add an avatar. Next, click on the Edit option, then proceed to click on the AI Avatar option. Here, you'll see the Use Your Custom API Avatar Generation feature. Enable it, and you'll find that the custom avatar library is now visible. By clicking on it, you can select the custom avatar that suits your requirements. Thank you for watching.